Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to immerse ourselves in the world of pink room ideas. Pink is a versatile and charming color that can transform any space into a heaven of beauty and warmth. If you are a fan of pink and looking for some inspiration, you are in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our creative home decor videos. Let's get started. Our first pink room ideas is pretty in pastels. Soft pastel shades like blush and baby pink create a scene. Consider painting your walls with these delicate hues and pair them with white and light gray furniture for an elegant and calming look. Combine pink with Bohemian decor for a vibrant and electric vibe. Think pink tapestries, colorful throw pillows, and potted plants. Layer rugs with various patterns and textures to create a cozy and whimsical space. Now let's embrace glamorous pink elegance. This style is all about luxury and sophistication. Incorporate metallic accents like gold and silver, plush velvet furnitures, and crystal chandeliers for that Hollywood-worthy pink rooms. For a refreshing twist, consider a pink and green oasis. Pair pink with shades of green for a harmonious and nature-inspired room. Use pink as an accent color through accessories and green as your primary wall and furniture color for a balanced and tranquil space. And there you have it, 5 fabulous pink room ideas to infuse your space with the charm and warmth to these beautiful colors.